Welcome back to e-learning for Adobe Dreamweaver CS6. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create a headings and how to format it. In HTML, the tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 create headings. Any browsing device, whether it is a computer, a braille reader, or a cell phone, interprets text formatted with any of these tags as a heading. Headings are used to introduce distinct sections with helpful titles just as they do in books, magazine, articles, and term papers. Following the semantic meaning of HTML tags, the news content begins with a heading Green News formatted as an H1. Since H1 is the most important heading, to be semantically correct in HTML4, only one such heading should be used per page. However, in HTML5, best practices have not been formalized yet. Some believe that we should continue the practice used in HTML4. Others think that it should be permissible to use an H1 in each semantic element or structure on a page. In other words, each section, article, header, or footer could have its own H1 heading. Until the practice is codified, let's continue to use only one H1 element per page. All other headings should therefore descend in order from the H1. Since each news story has equal importance, they all can begin with a second level heading or H2. At the moment, all the pasted text is formatted as P elements or paragraph element. Let's format the news headings as H2 elements. New. Select the green buildings earn more green and choose heading 2 from the format menu. The text will be formatted as an H2. Repeat steps 1. I'll just repeat it to the other H2 like H2 and then here just select all, then H2. All the selected text should now be formatted as H2 elements. Let's create a custom rule for this element to set it off from the other headings. Insert the cursor in any of the newly formatted H2 elements. Choose Window, CSS Styles to open the CSS Styles panel. In the CSS Styles panel, select the .content H1 rule in marginstyles.css. The content H1. And then choose the new CSS rule. Choose compound from the selector type menu. Click the less specific button once and then click OK. So the CSS rule definition for content section H2 in marginstyles.css dialog box will appear. In the type category, enter 170% from the font size field, and then also format the color and make it green, then apply. So in the box category, select the same for all option in the margin and just enter 15 pixels on top and enter 5 pixels in the bottom. Then click OK. In the document title field, select the placeholder text, add title here, and change it to Green News. Then hit save, Ctrl+S.